All right. Just had a major lightning strike. Hit our big oak tree in the front yard. Tore the bark clean off. And threw it all over the yard. Fortunately, we had just got home and got in the house before this hit. And that looks like a giant place where it entered. Let's walk around and see if there's any other damage. Oh wow, I don't know if you can see it on this video, but it has literally split the tree. If you see right there, all the way up, right in that area, this tree has been split by that lightning strike. And look at the ground around it. The roots acted as electrodes to the ground, I guess. And where our pet Buddy was buried, thank goodness he's been dead a long time. But it has literally split the tree.